Pretty cold today, eh?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, winter's moving in.
Usually December is colder, no? It gets colder.
Yeah. The weather is strange.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's good to have cold season.
Yeah, well, you know what? It's not so good for this virus because the cold weather helps it breed. The hot weather is better for us in that sense. That's what a nurse told me, and whether or not it's true, I don't know. But that's what she said to me. She said the cold weather is not good for the virus. It spreads easier. Which kind of makes sense because in the winter we're always getting, you know, the flu and things like that, right? So I don't know. Did your family take the needles or no?
Just the first one.
Just the first one?
Yeah.
So you decided to go for it.
Just
Well,
the first one.
well, it's a start, right?
Sorry?
It's a start,
Yeah.
you know.
Finish yours?
Yeah, I've taken 2. Now I'm waiting. Friday, I'm going to take my 3rd.
The third.
Yeah. A lot of stuff in there.
It's gone?
Oh, I don't know yet. We'll find out. This drain line needs to be power washed out. I'm going to tell her in the office. A lot of grease. So you're just basically punching a hole in it. I'm sorry?
The problem is not just here.
No, it's downstairs. It's in the garage. The main line needs to be flushed out. A lot of grease. Let's see what happens. I might have to put a different machine in here. You see? You know? Look what it is. It's like hair as well, eh?
It's wire.
Yeah.
Clean wire.
Yeah, you know, a lot of people use those big scrubbing pads, eh?
Yeah, I do.
Right, and then what happens is it becomes a small scrubbing pad. Well, everything that fell off of it stuck in the drain because it's greasy and it just sticks inside the drain, and then eventually it becomes a clog. Yeah, so that's the culprit. Remember, it was really big. So, listen, you're not the only one. Everywhere I go, I find something. Either it's this type of stuff, or people using baby wipes in the toilet, you know, or paper towels, even worse, you know. Who wipes their butt with a paper towel? Yeah, but I find it, eh? So, and then I tell them and they say, oh, it doesn't make a difference, but it does. It looks like you're okay today. Oh yeah. Okay. Do your holidays coincide with ours this year? Your holidays, are they with us this year or not?
Yeah, we do have, but we don't go anywhere. Just have one week.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, you celebrate a different holiday than us, right? But does it land on the same time? Yes?
We do celebrate Christmas.
Oh, you do celebrate Christmas. Oh, very well.
Yeah, we have a tree up.
Oh, okay.
Small tree even.
Very good.
You have Christmas tree?
Oh yes, absolutely. I'm a Canadian. I know you are too, but I mean, like, I was born here. You were born in a different country or here?
No, we were from India.
Yeah. And then you became a Canadian here. Excellent.